Hola, Señora Vaz here with the instructions for today. You will find this video right here that I'm recording, and then please report your attendance. For the actividad inicial, you're going to the photo and clicking here is going to take you to Quizlet test. So you're going to complete the Quizlet and then you're going to take a screenshot from the Quizlet result and you're going to put it right here in the comments. And that's what you have to do for your actividad inicial. After that, you're going to take your Preva 1B-1. That is on this link. So you click on the link, takes you to the Prueba. Do not forget, I'm giving you points for your name in the right grade level. And then you have a drop-down arrow, and you just pick the one that matches the picture the best way. It's very simple. It won't take you but 2 minutes or 3. Okay. And then you're going to create this Voki. For this Voki, I'm going to play you another video during class. I'm going to play you another video that I recorded so you can follow the video. And that'll be it. That's your work for today. I hope to see you connected so I can help you. And we may get some participation points today. It depends on the time. I'll see you later. Adios.